Congress gave its youngest face from Kathal, Aditya Surjewala, just went to temple, offered prayers, and right now he is along with us, meeting people because today is the result day. And Aditya is the youngest face, just 25, fighting for Kathal for the Congress party, and just want to prepare a youth cadre for the Congress party in Haryana, and claiming that more than 60-70 seats Congress gonna bag in favor of Haryana. So we have Aditya. Aditya ji, Aditya, what are the expectations you see here in Kathal and for Haryana? If you win, you're the youngest face. What is the first approach that you're going to make from the government or the Congress party?
So, the biggest priorities for the Congress government as soon as we come into power is to battle unemployment. Unemployment levels have reached over 40%, which are absolutely appalling that any state should have 40% unemployment, let alone Haryana, which used to be one of the most progressive and economically well-off states in the country in 2014 when the previous Congress government left power. So unemployment is the first thing we need to tackle. Second thing is development. No large investments, no large capital investments either from the private sector or the public sector have taken place in the state. We have not made our state any more business friendly. We have made our state much worse for our farmers actually. So you're alienating the largest population, which is farmers in the state, and then you're not even bringing any new investments to make our state more future friendly. Both are top priorities and will be done by the Congress government. And third is safety. We have seen basically goons and gangs take over Haryana. Regularly you see dacoities, thefts, large scale thefts actually happening in both shops and houses. People come in with lathis, break your head open, steal, and the BJP government does nothing. You have blackmail phones calling you, blackmailing you that you have to give us money or we'll come shoot you. They'll come shoot you and the BJP government won't do anything. Because this is an incredibly corrupt government who actually takes money from all of these gangs and goons and then fills their own pockets while the common man is struggling with the massive inflation that has happened and the massive increase in costs for everything from your electricity bill to your food to basic services.
Initial results now, ballot paper, or it's showing in favor of Congress, but BJP claims that they're going to win with margin of 10 to 15,000 votes here in Kathal.
The BJP only knows how to lie. The past 10 years they have done nothing but lie to the people of Kathal, lie to the people of Haryana. Today, by 12, honestly, you will see that the BJP is going to be completely wiped out, be limited to around 15 or lesser seats, and the Congress government is going to come in with around 70 seats, create an incredibly strong government and start serving the people immediately.
My last question: what Aditya expects? Aditya wants to be a CM son or a minister in the state of Haryana government now?
The only thing that I want to do, and the reason that I came here, the reason with the blessings of Rahul Gandhi ji I got this ticket, is I want to serve the people of Kathal. Kathal has gone backwards over the past 10 years of this BJP rule. No new development has happened. No maintenance has happened. The city that my grandfather and father built with their hard work and with the hard work of all of our Kathal family has basically gone into shambles. Our roads are broken, our water pipes are broken, sewage system is non-functioning, no maintenance happens on any public infrastructure. This BJP government has not been able to change a single light bulb in 10 years. So there's a lot of development and a lot of maintenance that needs to happen for Kathal to be up and running at 100%. And after that, I can worry about how else I want to serve the state. But first and foremost, I want to serve my home, which is Kathal. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. So this was Aditya, whose major claim is that he want to work for the people here in Kathal, and that is only expected that he see. Neither now he is not thinking of any CM son or a minister, youngest minister in the cabinet, but he want to serve the people. That's what Aditya Surjewala is talking about. With video journalist Girish, this is Aman Bhardwaj for India Today, Kathal Aaj Tak.